magnificent gated estate, on over 1 acre lot offering privacy and security. The gourmet kitchen has 42-inch cabinets and granite counters, and stainless steel appliances will amaze you. The attached office or studio workshop with approximately 675 square foot of AC and impact windows, you will enjoy oversized patio and overhang around the elongated pool, with all of this overlooking a private fully fenced yard. The generator runs entire home. The 4-camera security feature is wonderful. Crown molding, French doors and summer kitchen bring it over the top. Mature mango and banana trees, accordion shutters on entire main house and impact windows on addition. Whole house generator with underground 500-gallon propane tank, 575 square foot lanai plus 15 by 15 covered summer kitchen with hurricane shutters, oversized 3-car garage with over 980 square feet.